you want to like tofu but haven't found the right recipe yet, well, now you have. I'm going to show you a few secrets that will turn you from a tofu hater into a tofu lover. I know because it did it for me. Let me show you how I make it. We're going to start with a little drizzle of oil. And I need to turn this thing on. The next thing we want to add is our tofu. For this recipe, we're using firm tofu. I'm using 2 blocks. I use this cool tool that my mom got me. She uses it for ground beef, but I use it for tofu. So there you go. It simply breaks up the tofu quickly and easily. If you don't have 2 blocks of firm tofu handy, you can use 1 firm and 1 extra firm, or you can even use 1 firm and 1 silken, just to give a little different texture. You can break it up into as small chunks as you like. My kids tend to like the larger chunks, so I leave a couple big ones for them. So let's break this up. Once you get it kind of broken up, you can add your seasonings and just keep breaking it up as it cooks. Now for this recipe, you don't have to drain the tofu because you can cook the water right out of it when you're doing it like this. So it makes it super fast and easy. We're going to go ahead and add our seasonings. I've got a 1/4 cup of yeast flakes. I've got some onion and garlic powder. And the secret ingredient that I've not seen anybody use online is this chicken style seasoning. I'm using McKay's chicken style seasoning, and it's like a broth powder. It definitely makes your scrambled tofu taste great. If you've not seen McKay's chicken style seasoning, you can find it at health food stores or you can order it online. It really does make the scrambled tofu. So, one last ingredient is the turmeric. The turmeric doesn't really add any flavor, but it adds color. Stir up our tofu. And we're going to keep breaking it up as we go, and we're just going to keep cooking it. Many scrambled tofu recipes and videos online tell you just to cook it until it's warmed through. But don't do it, trust me. If you do that, it's going to taste like tofu, and it's going to feel like tofu in your mouth, and you're not going to like it. What you need to do is keep cooking this. Cook it until it's browned on all sides. Just let's keep cooking. Look at that yummy tofu. You can see how it's starting to turn brown. It may not be exactly how you cook your eggs, but it's definitely how you cook your tofu. I love this recipe because you can make it into so many different things. You can obviously have it for breakfast, but you can also have it for breakfast for supper. You can have it as a breakfast burrito, a breakfast quesadilla. You can have it as a breakfast pizza. You can have it in your fried rice as the scrambled egg replacement. You can have it as in chilaquiles, which is a fantastic recipe. I need to show you that. If you want the recipe for chilaquiles, give me a comment down below and I'll try to film that video soon. But for now, let's give our scrambled tofu a try. It's so good. You need to try this recipe. If you don't like tofu, give this one a try.